In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a picot border to this free easy dishcloth pattern, which I love. So this border adds a fun pop to your project and it's super simple and quick to work up. So now let me show you how it's done. I'm going to be adding the picot border to the dish towel version of this pattern, and I've already attached my accent color yarn here. So to get started, I'm going to chain one. I'm going to single crochet into my first stitch. And then for the picot, I'm going to chain three. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to slip stitch into the back loop of my first chain here. So here's my back loop. I'm inserting my hook, yarning over, and pulling it through the stitch and through the loop on my hook. Next, I'm going to single crochet into my next 2 stitches. And now for the next picot, I'm going to do the same thing and chain 3. Slip stitch to the back loop of the first chain. And then single crochet in the next 2 stitches. And I'll do one last one here. So again, I'll chain 3. Slip stitch to the back loop of my first chain. And single crochet in the next 2 stitches. And that's it. So all you need to do is keep working that picot stitch and then 2 single crochet stitches all the way around your project, and you'll end up with an adorable border at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to find the free pattern for this dishcloth and dish towel set at the link in the description box below. If you like free patterns or videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.